From United States, United Kingdom, and Europe, you can watch all the latest TV shows, movies, sports, news, and more. You can stream live TV or watch movies, music, and TV shows from our video on-demand library. We have a huge library of movies and TV shows from all genres. Whether you're into comedy, drama, action, or anything else, you'll find something to watch. We also have sports channels from around the world, so you can watch your favorite teams and players in action. Plus, with our easy-to-use app, you can watch your favorite shows on the go. So why wait? Get IPTV today and start watching all the best shows and movies from around the world. You can even get a 3 months only $40. So what are you waiting for? Download IPTV now and start watching today. Thank you for choosing IPTV. Enjoy.